Hey, it's King. Thanks for clicking my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a care package opening from Crep Protect. So they're really cool. They sent me a box. It's actually a pretty big box, so let's check out what's inside. They are from Illinois, Chicago, Illinois. So let's see what they've sent me here to check out and try. Hopefully they sent me some waterproofers. That would be dope. Try on a couple pairs that I have. Get this guy all the way open. See what we've got. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, wow. We don't need the box anymore. We don't need this bubble wrap anymore. So this is a pretty cool box. It's actually like a Nike box. It's got the little cup there, and it's the Ultimate Sneaker Care. So you can see it says it there. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So that's pretty cool. It's got the spray. It's got an eraser. It's got some wipes. Let's see, what is this guy? It's got a little waterproofer in there. Water and stain repellent. It's got like a premium shoe cleaner. It's got a little rag, and it's got a really cool brush too. So there's the brush. It's a pretty substantial brush. Let's put that guy back in there. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of some detailed looks at what's in the box here. What's in the box? And you've got wipes. So it's got a few. Oh, it's got quite a few wipes in there. Look at that. And it's got one single-use wipe in there. 6 wipes in total. Then it's got an eraser. Oh, this is cool. It's a tin, so it'll keep it super protected. You can see there. Get all those midsoles for those Vans, Converse, Dunks, Air Force Ones. And then it's got a stain repellent there, and that's protection in case any spills. Gives you some pretty substantial directions. It's got some soap here if you've gotten your shoes pretty dingy. You can use this, and I'll probably use this with a lot of the Sean Weatherspoon Adidas that I have because I've been rocking them, so it's time to get those freshened up. So there's a detail of the nice brush, and then there's the little mini micro rag. It's got a little cure. We'll put that back in its little cute little parking space. Overall, it's a really cool little set. There's nothing in it there, but you could probably stash something in there if you wanted to. So all in all, it's a pretty cool set. It's got basically everything that you need to get started to at least like keep your shoes clean and crispy. Probably in the next video, I'll do a cleaning video, and I'll use put all these guys to work and put them to action. So thanks, Crep Protect, for the care package. Make sure to like and subscribe below. That way you get all the notifications of when I do another video, and then when I actually put these guys, the Crep Protect products, to work. Thanks.